Divine codes. This is a message for the beautiful masculine. This is a message for the beautiful feminine. What are divine codes? What is divine union? Divine union is the highest, most exalted, most potentiated, divine aspect of masculine and of feminine coming together, harmonizing, merging fields, bringing their most potentiated states to create. That is divine union. This is a message for the masculine. This message applies to the masculine within us, each of us. It applies to the masculine counterpart before us, working with us and alongside us. This applies to the masculine counterpart partnering with us in relations, in partnerships, in love, as within, so without. The new paradigm is upon us. The new paradigm brings the divine template. The divine template is such that the feminine element, in its raw, pure, authentic, safe form, draws from the masculine everything that is perfect, everything that is complete. Remember, perfect means thoroughly performed, thoroughly done, thoroughly acted, complete. The pure feminine element draws forth from the masculine its raw potential. Everything that is excellent is pulled from the masculine through the magnetism of the feminine. So, today, in our non-holy state, in our distortions, in our humanity, in our history, in our woundings, in our karma, the rise of this feminine energy is serving to displace and push forward any woundings, pain bodies, distortions, inversions, maldoings, malgivings, mal simply means bad, from the masculine. As within, so without. We, women, have been going first. We've been about this work for the past several years now. We have seen our own shadows, and we have come to grow into loving it. We have risen the pain bodies, the pockets of information and hurt and wounding and memories and regret and resentment. We have seen and felt these pockets, these bubbles of pain rise from within us. And we have had to come to reconcile them, to love ourselves through them, to thank the pain of them, the information of them. The process has been not easy. And yet we have done it again and again and again and again. And many of us are seasoned at this now. We are able, masculine, to hold the container with you as you do this for yourself. We are able, masculine, to love you through the process. We see you, masculine, in your highest capability. We always have. This is the version of you that we return to day after day after day after day. It is this love for you that we hold and flow steadily. This high heart, unconditional love, appreciation, approval that is the overarching substance of the bond that we feel to you. And I speak not of the codependent bond. That is a different substance. Rest, sacred brother, in the knowing that we have loved you beyond your faults all along. Rest in the arms of the love that is right here before you. We know the journey you walk. We have gone first. We've done it before you. We are all still journeying, and we are the seasoned travelers here to equip your satchels, to pack your bags, to support your toolkits, to prepare your rations. Leverage us, for we have traveled before you. This journey will require resilience. This journey will require trust. This journey will require forgiveness, that you turn inwardly. This journey will soften your heart. This journey will strengthen your heart. This journey will develop your heart, your resilience, your strength, your identity. You will love yourself like you have never loved. You will love your brethren and your sistren like you've never loved. You will love your feminine counterpart within like you have never loved. You will love your feminine counterparts without like you've never loved. Rest, sacred brother. You are safe here. Make your intentions known, and you will find safe spaces, and the feminines will come to greet you. Now, some of you, dear men, are not in safe spaces right now. You are not surrounded by brothers who will hold you and love you as you walk this path. You are in partnerships with women and friendships with women who are not safe women. The relationships you hold now are reflections of the relationship you held within before. As you shift and develop your relationship within, as you come to love you even more, as you bend down and cradle the small animal of yourself within, your heart will soften and you will become new. Your awareness will broaden and you will become new. Your tenderness will develop, and your ability to sense will develop, and you will become new. Any unsafe relationships that you currently hold will fall away or transform. Rest in this. Rest in this. We are waiting, but we cannot wait.